So when it comes to food, Chicago is known for so many menu items. We're talking about, beef, of course, Chicago-style hot dogs, you name it.
A whole lot of others too, but maybe most famous of all, this thing right here. Yeah, Chicago deep dish pizza. And now there's a new walking tour where you visit 3 iconic Chicago pizza places: Lou Malnati's, Pizzeria Uno, and Gino's East.
And Donald Caterci is the founder of Licking Foodie Tours. And Donald, good morning. Welcome.
Good morning, Stacy. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, so this is exciting. You decided to choose Chicago. For us, it seems like an obvious reason, but what were your driving factors?
I am from Chicago, so I grew up there. I lived there 18 years. I'm in Las Vegas now, and we do these amazing culinary experiences in Las Vegas, and I wanted to bring it back home and serve the quintessential deep dish pizza, because everyone that comes to Chicago, they want to know where to go for the best deep dish.
Yeah, so when you think about deep dish, why is that like the iconic thing you wanted to highlight and expand? Are you thinking about expanding to other foods too?
We would love to. We would love to showcase the different neighborhoods throughout Chicago, the different cuisines and amazing restaurants. We're starting with deep dish pizza. It's a 2-hour experience. You get to try half cheese, half sausage from each.
Ooh,
and
yeah.
by the end of the 2 hours, you get to decide which is your favorite and why. They all have different crusts, different dough recipes, tomatoes, cheese. They're all quite different. And when you get to taste them all in a short amount of time, you get to tell those nuances and decide for yourself.
Oh, because there are absolutely nuances. If you talk to any of us here in Chicago, we're like, oh, yes, you know how it goes, right? It's like, oh, no, I like this place, that place.
Sauce is big, too. The difference in the sauce is huge.
The sauce, the crust, the sausage, you name it. So the tour,
yes.
you explained how it works, but it's also a walking tour, is that right?
That's right. So they're available every day. They're offered every half hour, so the guest lets us know when they'd like to go. And they get a virtual guide that shows them how to get from pizzeria to pizzeria. They're only about a 5-minute walk near Magnificent Mile. So you get to see the area. The virtual guide will point you in the right direction. They have your table reserved, so you check in with the host at each restaurant. You're seated immediately, and the pizza's already in the oven. So rather than waiting 30 to 45 minutes for your deep dish, it only takes about 5 to 10. And then once you're done eating, you just get up and leave. Everything's included. Gratuities.
Ooh.
We have an optional Chicago beer package to go with it.
That is so cool. I love this idea. That's great. Okay, especially just you get in, your pizza's ready, nice and hot out the oven. And we're going to go to a commercial because I got to dig into this. Thank you so much for joining us. We're going to post more information about how to book a tour at ABC7Chicago.com. And we will be right back after this.
Go for it.
I'm going for it.